I always discarded the watermelon peel until a doctor told me this. Now every week I buy watermelons. Usually, when we talk about watermelon, it comes to mind how rich and juicy this fruit is. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that make us stay healthy. Now, what few know is that their shell contains very powerful properties. Yes, you read well, the white, hard and tasteless part of the peel is much more effective for our health than the watermelon's own flesh. In this video we will give you all the details about it. We are sure that once you know what you can get with the watermelon shell, you will not discard it anymore. In fact, countries in South Asia and the United States are including this part of the watermelon in the salads. All of this, due to the many health benefits we have when consuming it. Among other things, the watermelon shell is rich in vitamins A, B6 and C, plus potassium, magnesium and zinc. All these vitamins and minerals will make your body work better and have more energy. But that's not all, since the shell also has lycopene. This substance is a powerful antioxidant very effective to protect you from many diseases. So much so, that many have claimed that 95% of the nutritional value of watermelon is in the husk. This part of the fruit is also rich in citrulline, an essential amino acid for muscle health. Thanks to citrulline, you can gain muscle mass quickly and with little effort. On the other hand, the fiber present in this part of the fruit stimulates weight loss. Another benefit of citrulline is that it reduces anxiety, making you feel satisfied for longer. This substance also has diuretic properties and eliminates excess fluid in the body. In addition, by ingesting the shell of this fruit we increase the defenses of our immune system. Now, since this part of the watermelon has no taste, how can we eat it? A good idea is to chop it into small pieces and add it to our salads. We could also eat it with tuna or turkey breast. Another option would be to prepare a watermelon rind or make an infusion with these and take it twice a day. Do not keep wasting the most nutritious part of watermelons. Start taking advantage today and use it in any way you like. Remember, if you share this article on your social networks, you'll help others learn all these benefits. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.